In my science fair project, I tested to see whether hand sanitizer or soap and water killed more bacteria on my hands. I wanted to test this out because of how frequently students at school get sick from the spread of germs. With research, I found that hand sanitizer won't always kill as many germs as soap and water because hands are left damp. Moisture in hands can attract up to 3 times more bacteria than if they were dry. Something else important to note is that depending on how hands are dried, they can wind up attracting more bacteria. Paper towels, what I used in my experiment, are the best method. A hand towel collects bacteria over time from multiple uses, and hot air dryers wind up blowing bacteria back onto hands. I came to the conclusion that soap and water probably will kill more bacteria, especially since my hands will be fully dried. To test my experiment, I swabbed my hands and transferred the bacteria to a petri dish. I then used soap and water on the first day and hand sanitizer on the second day to clean my hands, then re-swabbed. I put the petri dishes into closed shoe boxes and left them in a dark area for about 5 days to grow. This served as a homemade incubator. Remember, it is important that until they are ready, the petri dishes have no light or dampness. After 5 days, I took out the dishes to observe them. The bacteria colonies were small in the soap and hand sanitizer, and there were many large colonies in the dirty. The hand sanitizer colonies were the most developed compared to the soap, meaning there was more bacteria. To conclude, my hypothesis was correct in saying that soap and water kills more bacteria. It formed the least colonies. Here are some photos of another test I performed after the project, which showed more of a difference. If I were to do an experiment like this again, I would probably let the dishes grow for longer so that there was more of a difference, especially since the second test was more successful. This was a fun project and I think I learned a lot.